Welcome back to the Truthmaster 1 channel, where we provide you videos on cars, trucks, fashion, history, and humor. Have you ever wondered what the most restored car or truck is in recent history? The Ford F-Series pickup, from 1948 to the present, is the world's most restored vintage truck. The Ford F-Series pickup, particularly early models like the 1948 to 1956 Ford F1 and F100, is arguably the most frequently restored vintage truck globally. Its combination of historical significance, rugged durability, and cultural resonance has made it a cornerstone of automotive restoration communities. Let's delve into its history, design evolution, and enduring appeal. The Ford F-Series debuted in 1948 as Ford's first post-World War II truck line, replacing the pre-war bonus-built trucks. The first-generation F-Series from 1948 to 1952 introduced the F1, which was a half-ton, the F2 a three-quarter-ton, and the F3 a heavy-duty model. This marked a shift toward consumer-friendly designs with car-like comforts. The F100, introduced in 1953 as part of the second generation, from 1953 to 1956 became the most iconic variant. It featured a modernized FE design with integrated fenders and a bold grille. Key innovations included the integrated cab design. Unlike earlier trucks with separate cabs and beds, the F-Series offered a unified body for improved aerodynamics and aesthetics. V8 engine options. The 1953 F100 introduced Ford's Y-Block V8, providing unprecedented power for work and leisure. Cultural impact. The F-Series became synonymous with American resilience, marketed to farmers, tradesmen, and suburban families during the post-war economic boom. The F-Series design evolved through generations, balancing utility and style. The first generation, from 1948 to 1952, nicknamed the Bonus Built, featured a flathead V8 engine and a utilitarian interior. The F1's rounded fenders and split windshield became hallmarks of 1950s truck design. The second generation, from 1953 to 1956, saw the F100 debut with a wraparound windshield, a sleeker grille, and an optional automatic transmission. This era solidified the truck's reputation for blending ruggedness with refinement. The third generation, from 1957 to 1960, introduced the style-side bed, integrating the bed and cab for a smoother profile, appealing to suburban buyers. So, why is the Ford F-Series the most restored vintage truck? Well, it starts with availability and affordability. Between 1948 and 1979, Ford sold over 4 million F-Series trucks, ensuring a vast supply of restorable models. Parts accessibility is another big factor. The F-Series popularity means that parts are widely available through salvage yards, aftermarket suppliers, and enthusiast networks. Then there's simplicity and durability. The F-100's body-on-frame construction and straightforward V8 or inline-six engines make repairs manageable for hobbyists. Plus, there's so much customization potential. Restorers often blend original parts with modern upgrades like LS swaps or disc brakes while preserving those vintage aesthetics. And let's not forget cultural nostalgia. The F-Series starred in films, TV shows, and country music symbolizing Americana. The 1956 F100, for instance, became a hot rod favorite. Many restorers inherit family-owned trucks, reviving heirlooms tied to personal histories. While the F-Series dominates, other trucks rival its restoration popularity. Take the Chevrolet CK series, produced from 1960 to 1998. Known for its durability and the sleek design of the 1972 C10, it's a favorite for restomods. Then there's the Dodge Power Wagon, made from 1946 to 1968, a military-derived off-roader prized for its ruggedness. And let's not overlook the International Harvester Scout, a compact SUV truck hybrid with a cult following, produced from 1961 to 1980. Restoration trends and challenges are part of the journey. There's a debate between preservation and modernization. Purists aim for period-correct restorations, while others embrace restomods with modern engines and tech. Rust and decay present another challenge. Early F-Series models often require extensive metalwork due to unibody corrosion, though thankfully aftermarket panels simplify repairs. And of course, market value is a big consideration. A fully restored 1956 F100 can fetch $50,000 to $80,000, while modified versions may exceed $100,000. In conclusion, the Ford F-Series' enduring restoration appeal lies in its blend of simplicity, cultural resonance, and adaptability. From barn finds to showroom-quality builds, these trucks bridge generations, preserving mid-century Americana while embracing modern innovation. As one restorer noted, working on an F-100 isn't just about the truck, it's about keeping a piece of history alive.